But this is going to be our prediction for the day GBP USD. So as usual, you can clearly see that GBP USD is literally on a downtrend move. So basically, any pair against your USD definitely on the downtrend. So basically, USD is gaining strength. So this is one of the reasons why GBP to USD is falling and Euro to USD is also falling. And due to the fact that USD is trend. So any pair you're trading against your USD, definitely be selling. That means it will be. Now this is the trend on USD. This is clearly downtrend move. Market is trending to the side. Now this is our low. This is the lower high. Market was able to give us a new lower low. Here comes the lower high. Now markets eventually give us a new lower low. This is our lower high. Markets eventually give us a new lower low, and here lower high is currently. So guys, 4 hour time frame, you should expect lower high to be out. So probably around the London section or maybe in New York section, we can now start looking for a sell setup and we make GBP ready to drop outside to give us a new low. So the best thing you can do on GBP is to go in for a sell and hold your sell position. So if you can go in for the sell and hold your sell position for the next 2 to 3 days, you are going to actually grab a lot of moves on this moment. So above all, a bearish move for expecting GBP